Network security professionals, if you are just working in network security domain, you might be heard about network automation security automation program. And trust me, this is the right time to upgrade yourself in network security program, because industries are hunting for the right network security engineers, but there are not available too much network security engineer who can automate the network security platforms. So if you are going to be one of them who can automate network, who can automate security platform, who can automate the SASE solution, SD-WAN solutions, they are going to get very huge cities in the market, and they're going to get very high demand in the market. So if you're really planning to upgrade your career from normal network engineer, normal security engineer to network security automation engineer, this is the right time to start your journey. And GuiNet is hosting this Saturday one of the webinar. We are going to talk about the power of network security automations, and we're going to talk about the step-by-step journey process, how you're going to upgrade yourself, and what are the outcome is going to happen in terms of your professional growth after completing this network security automation program. So we are going to talk about the lot of automation tool, lot of automation methods, and how to automate the existing infrastructure, how to upgrade your upcoming infrastructure, how to automate your firewalls, how to automate your SASE solution, Prisma Access, Zscaler, everything we're going to talk. So if you're really passionate to start your journey in network security automations, please join our upcoming masterclass, which is going to happen on this Saturday, where you're going to get more insight about network security automation platform and the opportunity. Thank you.